Viewers, say hi to Singling. She's a new model, a fresh graduate of the Amber Chia Modeling Academy. Amber, thank you for sending your new models here and fresh graduate here. I truly enjoy working with them. And viewers, if you want to learn about modeling, you want to learn about catwalk, this is the academy to go to. Amber used to be a lecturer at the Beyond Photography Academy, and she now has her own modeling academy, which is really doing very well. This is her academy's product. Singling, you know what I'm going to be doing? I've got a new e-learning which I'm going to be teaching my viewers and subscribers how to shoot fashion catalog. So I want you to model as if it's an actual client's fashion catalog shoot. Have you done an actual client fashion catalog shoot before?
No.
Okay, then this episode is dedicated to how you can work with new models, and new models, how you can look like a superstar in your first shoot, working with pain in the ass photographers like this.
Action!
Number one, more fun, less criticism. Singling, this is what I want you to do. I just want you to do poses, right after poses, right after poses. Every time I say next, you just change. If it's nice, we take a shot. If it's not, we'll still take a shot or move to the next one. All right, don't worry about it. You ready? And good. Okay, that's good. All right, next. No, next. Yeah, turn your face back to me. That's nice. Good. All right, next. No, next. I love that. Turn your face back to me. Right, that's good. Okay, next. Oh, I love this. Chin up a little bit. Okay. Directly at me. That's nice. Photographers, in an actual evaluation shoot like this or fashion catalog shoot, you will not have time to be mucking around and changing your flashes and lighting all the time. You just saw my best secret technique. I call this the Mahjong Lighting. In fact, if you're an all-access account holder in my website here, we have just released a new e-learning. It's called the e-learning of fashion photography. In this e-learning is only exclusive content for all-access account holder. So you will not be able to subscribe to it yet unless you're an all-access account holder. This is our way of saying thank you for subscribing to our all-access account. In this e-learning, we teach our users how to do this lighting. This is the best directional lighting and the biggest, softest light, giving you even lighting like this. So the models can actually move around, change their pose, giving you very minimal spill on the background and also shadow. So it's just having a hot shoe flash here going through this, the Mahjong paper. So hurry, head on to my website, check out the All Access account, subscribe to it, and learn one of the best content in fashion photography. Well, the reason that you get your model to rapidly change poses non-stop like so is so that it's less scary for a new model. When the pose is good, you just take the shot. If the pose is not, just skip to the next one. But doing so, rapidly moving, having the models turning from one pose to another can be difficult to focus. If you are changing focus point or focus lock recompose, that will be not fast enough. So here's a useful tip for you photographers. Go on AI Servo. Or if you're using Sony or Nikon, change to AFC. Turn on 3D tracking. That way you will notice that your focus point will be tracking the eyes and the face. So no matter how the model moves, you always get her face sharp. And here's one more thing. Use a high F value, f8, f11. That way you get a deeper depth of field and you always get her sharp. Photographers and model, you should have your own lookbook. This lookbook can be a reference of style, mood, and poses that you like. And that way, when it comes to working with new models, you can exactly show her what you like and what you don't like. And it goes both ways. Model, you should have your own lookbook as well. When the photographer says, show me poses that you're going to look good in, whip out your lookbook. Models, this is a tip for you. When you are modeling and pulling a pose, don't have an empty mind. Think of what you want to do the next pose. In fact, I've worked with great models that are thinking of 2 to 3 poses ahead. So when you're doing this pose, think of what you want to do with the next coming pose. And the next one. And the next one. That way, you're going to look like a superstar. It's okay not to know your pose, but it's not okay to let people know you don't know your next pose. Oh, additional tips for you. Your hands and fingers, please don't cover your face, because it's going to block your good looks and at the same time cast too much of shadow. And the next tip, show more fingers. Showing fingers will make you look slimmer and sexier. Viewers and models, take a look at this picture. This is what I call shutter and blink out of sync. This happens when the model is new or the photographer is new. The photographer happens to click when the model blinks. And if the model is new, the photographer is new, you're going to see this a lot. Almost every alternate shot, you're going to see the model's eyes looking like this. But thank God, with Xingling, I only get one shot. And here's the thing, when I work with new models, I get a lot of these kind of shots. With the shutter and the eye out of sync. And here's what I can promise you, if you're continuously shooting more together, you're going to see this kind of shots reduced. And that's a good measurement. Take a look at these photos here. Pretty nice. But you notice one thing. Xingling is looking a little bit too much to the right and a little bit too much to the left. Well, when that happens, you don't see so much of the face. I know it's a fashion shoot, but you still like to face more towards the camera. And this is what I usually do. So I want you to imagine that there is a V shape here in front of you. 12 o'clock is in front of you. That's 1 o'clock. That's 11 o'clock. Try to keep your view in this V funnel shape. That means don't go above 1 o'clock. So turn to 3 o'clock. Turn. You notice that too much, right? And your nose is where the front is, right? So your eyes must be together with your nose, right? So I want you to point your nose to 1 o'clock. Your eyes shouldn't look at 11. Look at 11 o'clock now. So you notice that it looks weird. You see a lot of white of eyes. So which means that your nose should be where your eyes would be together. So if you turn your nose to 11 o'clock, the eye should go to 11 o'clock. You got this? So that's what I call using your nose as an actual front. So there's a V. Models, this is an important look that I want to share with you. It's a technique to get a really cool fashion look. I call it breathe, bigger eyes, longer face. Xingling, here's what I want you to do. I want you to breathe at the apex of your breath, make your eyes bigger, look square into the camera, and then crack a little bit of your lips and just smile that little bit. Are you ready? 1, 2, go. That's it. And these are photos of Xingling doing the breathe, bigger eyes, longer face look. Oh, one last tip for the models. Quit touching your attire and adjust your hair. It's annoying when you break your poses because we have somebody that can do that for you on set. They're called stylists. Let them do that for you. Don't break your poses. Hey viewers, thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel as well. If you haven't hit the bell button, I strongly encourage you to do so. And there's one more thing I need your help. Head on to my e-learning website. Check out our collection of e-learning courses that we have on photography. You're going to love them. How do I know? Because if you love the YouTube channel, and that's for free, you're going to love all these videos that we have taken a lot of effort to build and produce. Check out our collection of e-learning, even better. Look at our All Access account. This will allow you to have full access to all our e-learning courses, including the premium courses. And what are premium courses? Premium courses are photography e-learning courses that is uploaded on a weekly basis on a wide genre topic like this. So if you subscribe to this, you're going to be learning photography the best way there is online. Oh, and speaking of online, we now know that being online is one of the best ways to survive the COVID-19 pandemic economic crunch. So head on and check out the online ProCert program. With this program, you can get yourself certified and be a professional photographer in as short as 3 to 6 months and get yourself the chance of getting a second income. An income that can be reliant on your skill, not just your career, because it's so risky now. I've been seeing a lot of my friends losing their job because getting you to keep your job is not your option now. It's at the mercy of the economy, the finance department, and also your boss decision. But if you become a photographer, something that's reliant on your skill, that's a great income. So head on, check out our e-learning websites, www.beyond.photos. Oh, and don't forget, take a look at our YouTube exclusive members. This is one of the best fun way to learn what you really like from my YouTube tutorials. And when you join as a YouTube exclusive members, you get content that is not published anywhere else. So thank you. I hope I get your support so that we can continuously make good educational video on photography and video. And modeling too. And Amber, thank you for sending your models here all the time when they graduate. She looks everywhere, right?
You cannot keep looking at other places.
You only look there. New model. That's it. That's gonna give you a very fashion-like look. Let's repeat that one more time. How was it? I think it's pretty okay.
It's pretty okay. Once you can get.
Can you give me the footage? Where's your card reader? I enjoy working with you. I'd like to have you back. Let me know when you can, next week. Ask your manager. Okay. She calls her mom manager. Then when I say, oh, you're the mom, you're the manager. Oh no, I'm just the mom.